market en dan het laag. Yeah, wat aan de mannen pad en dan weer dan dus net te spel. Luister mooi wat ik nou voor je zeg. Ik wil je nooit meer zien. Die leven is te vol daarvoor. Ik wil mezelf verniet. Dat zijn nog duizend vreugdeswoorden. Ik wil je nooit meer zien. Dan vanavond met mij. Kom ons strijden, zoals volken die in die blauw. Heel hard en ziek liefde voor mij. Laat die muziek ons nou vanavond met mij. Was gevangen en ritmes in de fantasie. Hou mijn hand en vloei zacht zo met mij. Niks is daar beter ooit als on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. Rather you don't know a nicer occupation. As a matter of fact, neither do I. Than standing on the corner, watching all the girls, watching all the girls, watching all the girls go by. I've just let it go, and suddenly that name would never be said to me. Maria, I've just kissed a girl named Maria, and suddenly I found how wonderful a sound can be. Maria, say it loud, and there's music playing. Say it soft, and it's almost like rain. I'll never stop saying Maria. If I were a rich man, diddle 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 dum, all day long I'd betty betty bum. If I were a wealthy man, hey, wouldn't have to work hard. Diddle 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 dum. If I were a very very rich diddle 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 man, I'd build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen right in the middle of the town. A fine tin roof with real wooden stairs below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show. If I were a rich man, diddle 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 dum. If I were a very very rich, if I were a